Are you in a situation where you're wanting to know what it takes to be able to relocate with the child? My name is Carl Burkhead. I'm a family attorney in Tulsa, Oklahoma with Worth Law Office. I want to help you make law easy by going through the elements of what the relocation requires and how you balance that against the child's interests. So I want to start off by saying that there's actually a pretty heavy presumption in the law that supports allowing a parent to relocate. And when I say relocate, I don't mean just like moving around the corner. The way the statute's written is if you are moving the child more than 75 miles away from that child's residence, that's when this gets triggered. Um, so if you're moving, just one town over, let's say you live in Tulsa, you're moving to Broken Arrow, not a big deal. If you live in Tulsa and you're moving to Oklahoma City, yeah, you need to have a conversation and a lawyer probably needs to be involved. The court's going to want to make sure that the relocation is happening in good faith, meaning that you're doing it for a positive reason to better yourself, better your children, better your family, and that you're not doing it solely for the purpose of just alienating the child from the non-custodial parent. That's literally why these situations are they require the court's involvement. What you have to do is you have to give the non-custodial parent notice that you're intending to relocate as much as possible. I tell my clients minimum 60 to 90 days advance notice. Sometimes that's not feasible. I've seen cases where someone just gets a sweet deal and they have to just jump on it, but they only have like 2 weeks to do it. If that's the case, you have to give as much notice as possible. The non-custodial parent then has a period of time, I want to say 20 to 30 days, where they can file an objection to your relocation. They would have to file it with the court, and the court would have to set that for hearing, so that way both sides can show up, present their evidence, present their testimony, give your reasons why you want to relocate, give your reasons why you don't think that this should happen, and then the court's going to make a decision about whether or not you should actually be allowed to move with your child. Inevitably, that's going to involve some level of modifying whatever the custody situation is, either flipping custody around or changing the visitation schedule to accommodate for the fact that there's a long distance now between the non-custodial parent and the child. Um, at the end of the day, the presumption always lies with the custodial parent, that the presumption is that they are acting in the best interest of the child and that they're moving in good faith. It's the burden of the non-custodial parent to prove that this isn't in the child's best interest. If you're in a situation where you think that you want to or maybe need to move the child more than 75 miles away, please give us a call. I would love to talk this over with you. My name is Carl Burkhead, and I want to help you to make law easy. Thank you.